What's up, guys? How you doing today? Welcome to the Natural Products Show toy review time again. Alright, so as you can see, we're doing Buzz today. And here he is. Buzz Lightyear, baby. Toy review time. Yes, I remember Buzz. So, this is the remote control one. It's an RC 27 megahertz or something like that. I don't know. Remote control figure. To infinity and beyond. Gotta love it, baby. Alright, so let me just show you the features here. Got a little helmet there that comes up. That's kind of cool. You got some wings on him so you can fly. His hands come in and out. Oh, they do go up and down. Okay. I don't know. Oh, they do. Okay. All right. Cool. No buttons on this one, though. I don't know what the hell that... Got a little button on the back. I don't know what the hell that does. His legs move. But I guess the remote control thing is right there. Oops. Don't want to break it. Little wheels right there. Kind of cool. Buzz Lightyear. So let's read the box. Put him back on top there and let's read the box. See what's going on. So, RC 27 megahertz. Toy Story 4. Remote control. And here is the remote control. I'm not going to take it out. It's only a little button type thing, you know, with the wire right there. That's kind of cool. Alright. I guess you got, I don't know, some batteries or something to go in the back. Retractable wings, remote control, features. He walks forward. Retractable wing, and he's remote control. Right there in the back of the box. So he looks pretty sitting in there. So, anyways, I like this thing. This is cool. Buzz Lightyear. I like the wings. The whole wing thing is kind of cool. Of course, I like the helmet. I wasn't a kid, so when he came out, so I didn't get one. Now I got one. Cool. Anyways, I like Buzz. Buzz is my favorite. Anyways, Buzz Lightyear, remote control. Look for it come Christmas, guys. Alright. Welcome to the Natural Product Show. Thank you for watching the Natural Product Show. Toy review time. Getting close to Christmas. Start looking. Remember, it's from this guy. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching the Natural Product Show. To infinity and beyond, baby. Keep it up. Till next time.